Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learn about file input and output in Java. In Java, file.input-output library, or we can say input-output package, consist consist nearly every class you might ever need to perform input and output in Java. All these streams represent an input source and an input destination. The stream in the Java input-output package supports many data such as parameter, object, localized, character, and etc. Now, what is a stream? A stream can be defined as a sequence of data. There are two kinds of stream in Java: input and output. First one is input stream and another one is output stream. The input stream is used to read the data from a source, and the output stream is used for writing data to a destination. Like here, the input is used for reading the data. So here you have source and then we have program and then destination. Okay, so input read data from here and then it's go to the program and then this data used by output stream for writing the destination. So Java provides a strong flexibility support for input output related to the files and the networks. But this lecture cover very basic functionality related to the stream and input output. So we will see the most common example used in this input and output stream, which is byte stream. Java byte stream are used to perform input and output of 8-bit byte. True, there are many classes related to byte streams, but the most frequently used class are file input stream and the file output stream. Now we see these file input and file output stream in our example. Now here, first of all, I just import a library for input and output. So here java dot input output. Okay, and here I just write public static void main and then string and sorry it's a string and arguments here and then here I just write throw exceptions. Okay, I will tell you about throw exception in my next tutorials. So exception here and then after this I just write file input streams stream. Okay, in which is equal to null. So this throw exception is not in bracket, so here it is null and then I just write file output stream and here I just write out which is equal to null. Now I just write try. So here I just write int which is equal to new and file input. I will tell you about the throw, catch and try and finally keyword in my next coming tutorials. So I will tell you about this in my exception handling topic. So just make a concept here. So I just write stream and then here I just write input and input dot text. Okay, and then I just write out which is equal to new and file output stream. Okay, here I just write out put dot text. Okay, now I just create an integer which is c, and then while, which is c is equal to in dot read, and I just remove this one, and here's the two brackets, so I just make it one. Okay, so now after this I just write, yes, it's true. Okay, now after this I just write not, and then which is equal to minus 1, and close this bracket here, and then I just start my while code. So here I just write out dot write, and right here is c, so c is a parameter. Then we just go to the finally keyword. So here I just write finally, and if I in not equal to null, so in dot closed, and then I just write the if condition again. So if our output which is not null, then we just say out dot closed. Okay, so here I just import these two text file with the input and output, and then I just run this code. So here the code is working properly, and I have no text in these files, so that's why it's not coming here. So this is the file input and output in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture. Thank you.